Hey, you guys, I want to say thank you for subscribing and supporting my videos. I'm so grateful. And I just want to let y'all know in my next video, I will have a schedule for our regular postings. Okay, so thank you and enjoy this video. I'll see you in a couple days. Hey y'all, take a look at what I got from BeFitAmazing.com. Okay, when I tell you these pieces are so comfortable, so soft, and so amazing, like really, I can't wait to order more. As one of the newest ambassadors, I'm going to give y'all a 50% off coupon code. Okay, make sure y'all click the link and use the code at checkout. All right, because listen, you're not going to regret it. I promise you, you're not going to regret it.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Whoa, honey, I need a big cage now. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Hey, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. That's what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do this? New York, I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this.
Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay.
On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You on my mind, stay on my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast as fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. No, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. No,
I'm sorry I say that.
Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
acting nice. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You broke it down the door.